How to add CashApp on DoorDash. First, open DoorDash. Now go to settings. On the top, click on user icon. Now go to payment method. Now here you can see credit, debit card, PayPal and CashApp Pay. Just click on CashApp Pay. In my case, the CashApp is not allowed in our country, but in your case, you will see a pop-up where you can click on Open CashApp and then enter the CashApp details. After that, the CashApp will be added to your DoorDash. So that's how you can add CashApp on DoorDash. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.